Friends, how are you doing? So, this is Damodara Rao Mailapalli. I am an assistant professor in Agriculture and Food Engineering Department, IIT Kharagpur. So I am going to teach this irrigation and drainage course. So, this is NPTEL course, and it contains total 60 lectures long, and every week we are going to have 5 lectures. So, altogether it goes up to 12 weeks. Okay. So, what is the need of this course? So, why do we study this course? So, I mean what is the big deal of this course? So, friends, if you look the today's scenario, see, population is rising, at the same time the per capita food availability is declining. Now, if you see that around 500 gram per capita per year is the status of food availability today, okay. And this is going to be decreased badly in coming years with the growing population. So, as an agriculturalist or agriculture engineers, we need to tackle this problem. So, now even the government is telling in by 2022, so more crop per drop. So, that is the slogan Prime Minister of India is really pushing the things forward. Okay. So, there is a lot of things need to be done in this. Okay. So, agriculture engineering has been applying scientific principles of both irrigation and drainage, okay. So, for sustainable development of the crop production. Okay. So, the major inputs here we are talking about are water and nutrients, of course, the pesticides too. So, these needs to be optimized in order to have an optimal growing optimal production, right. So, in that case, so how this course is going to help us, right. So, in this course we will be focusing more on the basic principles of irrigation. So, for example, what exactly the irrigation, right, and how do we decide an irrigation event, or how much water really a plant requires, or when exactly we need to give water to the plant, and what device or which method we need to use in order to provide this irrigation to the plant. Okay. So, with this information you are going to design an irrigation system, right, and there are several irrigation systems. So, based on the way you apply water, right. So, if you have a lot of water available and you can apply you can use water application methods such as furrow irrigation, border irrigation, basin irrigation. So, these kind of methods you can apply, but nowadays if you see the water is really scarce. So, even the government is promoting going for using or applying water through micro irrigation, right. So, the micro irrigation adaptability is slowly increasing, it is not the way we expect. So, and because we do not have sense of using water. So, that is the main thing. Okay. So, and also the cost. So, micro irrigation cost much compared to your other irrigation systems like surface irrigation systems. Okay. So, but the government is helping by providing subsidies, okay, to promote the micro irrigation. So, this will take little bit more time to get prominent of this irrigation system, and definitely the water use efficiency is going to increase up to even 90% or more than 90% in near future, I hope. So, this is one condition where we need to apply water to the plant since the soil does not contain water. Okay. So, there the plant requires water. So, that is why we called water applying artificially to the plant or irrigation. Whereas, other case you apply water, you are not going to apply water because the water is already stagnant or the ponding on the surface. So, your objective is to remove the excess water which is staying on the surface, so that you can grow crops. Okay. So, that is the next challenge of as an agriculture engineer or as a student of agriculture. So, how to remove that excess water, so that plants can grow that. So, that is called in the drainage part. So, one case you have no water on the top of the surface, but you need to apply water on top. In other case, there is much water on top of the surface which is ponding because of the soil condition and other regional conditions. So, in the second case, you need to drain the water from the root zone of root zone generally 1.5 the max or 2 meter. If you can remove water, so that soil condition is really favorable for the growth of the plant. But so, how to do that? That is a big challenge. So, in order to do a particular design of a system, you need to understand the basic principles. So, in this course we are going to learn those principles and apply and also design both irrigation as well as a drainage system. So, that is the main in the background of the course. And here, as I said, so the whole course contains 30 minutes long lectures, and the 4 lectures of 5 lectures in a week contains theory and workout examples, and the 5th lecture of the week contains the mostly worked out examples related to GATE and JRF, ICR JRF mostly are talking. So, I hope students will be helpful in solving those problems while appearing the competitive examinations as well as their regular final examinations. And then and finally, about so I have like 2 TAs like teaching assistants, so who are doing PhD under me. So, one is Shashank Shekhar and the other one is Chwadika Poshna. So, these two will be helping you during the course of the lectures. So, I can also available for online discussions, and if you have any any issues with the lectures or any the problem solving. So, definitely you can post your queries, so that we will helping you, right. I hope you guys will enjoy this course and make yourself comfortable in expressing yourself and get maximum benefit out of this course. And thank you so much for registering this course, and all the best. Thank you.